If you've ever wanted a stylish indoor plant that thrives on neglect and still looks beautiful year-round, Jade plant is exactly that quiet, dependable companion. Known for its coin-shaped leaves and symbolism of prosperity, it's one of the easiest houseplants you can grow successfully, even if you forget to water sometimes. Light and placement. Jade plant grows best in bright spaces where it receives plenty of indirect sunlight, just like a sunny window or a well-lit balcony corner. It enjoys warmth, but dislikes harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch its thick leaves. Indoors, placing it near an east or south-facing window keeps growth compact and healthy. Watering needs. Jade plant prefers dry soil over wet roots, which means watering only after the potting mix has completely dried out. In warm months, watering every 2 to 3 weeks is usually enough, while in winter, once a month easily keeps it satisfied. Overwatering is the most common mistake and often leads to leaf drop or mushy stems. Soil and pot choice. Jade plant stays healthiest in gritty, fast-draining soil similar to cactus or succulent mix, allowing excess moisture to escape quickly. Pots with drainage holes are essential because trapped water around the roots can cause rot. Adding sand or perlite improves airflow and keeps the root system strong. Temperature and seasonal care. Jade plant enjoys typical indoor temperatures between 12 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius and dislikes sudden cold drafts or extreme heat. During winter, it naturally slows down growth and may even reward you with tiny white blooms if kept slightly cooler and drier. Avoid repotting or heavy pruning in this resting phase. Pruning and shape maintenance. Jade plant naturally develops a tree-like form with thick stems, but occasional light pruning in spring keeps it bushy and balanced. Removing leggy or damaged branches encourages new shoots and maintains a compact appearance. The cut sections can easily be used for propagation. Propagation made easy. Jade plant is one of the simplest houseplants to multiply from leaves or stem cuttings, making it perfect for sharing or expanding your collection. A healthy leaf left to dry for a couple of days forms a callus, after which it roots quickly in slightly moist, succulent soil. Within weeks, a new baby plant begins to form. Common problems and fixes. Jade plant rarely suffers from pests or disease, but excess moisture can cause yellowing or falling leaves. If stems become soft or dark, reducing watering and improving drainage usually saves the plant. Wrinkled leaves, on the other hand, signal thirst and recover quickly after watering. Symbolism and placement for positivity. Jade plant has long been associated with prosperity and harmony in Asian traditions because its rounded leaves resemble coins. Many people place it near entrances or in the eastern part of the home to symbolically invite growth and good fortune. Beyond symbolism, its sculptural form adds calm greenery to any space. Jade plant proves that beautiful indoor greenery doesn't have to be high maintenance. If you enjoyed this simple care guide, subscribe for more easy plant tips that make indoor gardening effortless and rewarding.